Hi guys, tonight I'm going to show you how to build your own dandelion root liver cleanse because I'm actually selling a lot of this and I'd rather you guys make it. I mean, I will sell it to you, but I really want to teach you how to make it because I'm only shipping in Canada right now, and a lot of people from the States want to clean their liver with the dandelion roots and I can't ship to them. So I'm trying to tell them and over the internet typing how to do it, and it's taken a long time. So I thought I'm just going to do a video for you all, even the people in Canada. You guys can do this. It's easy. So you heard as the video just came on, my kettle was boiling. The first thing we're going to do for the dandelion root liver cleanse is you would get some dandelion roots. Here are the roots here. This is what they're going to look like. And if you can't get your own roots, this is a great source right here. Wonderful. I really trust them. I've gotten so many things from them. When I run out of my product, I get from these guys, Foothills. So there's the dandelion roots that you could get from them. I just get it off Amazon. So that's the root. So my kettle was boiling, and for this reason, because you're going to try the tea for a day before you start the cleanse with the capsules, because you want to make sure that you're okay with dandelion roots before you go start and taking a whole bunch of capsules and realize, oh my goodness, I'm allergic to dandelion roots. So that's why I want to get people to drink the tea first. So you take a mason jar. Well, that's like a little one. And then my kettle was just boiled with hot water. I'm going to take a tablespoon of the dandelion roots, like a heaping tablespoon of the dandelion roots, put them into this mason jar. I'm going to have the cap handy. For that reason, I want to keep, when I hit it with the water is actually going to release the essential oils from the roots, and I want to cap that and keep those in. So I'm going to put the cap on right away. So now that's capped. I don't have to do much to it. I'm just going to set it aside and let it sit for 20 minutes to a half hour. That's what it looks like. 20 minutes to a half hour. It's going to get dark. After about 5 or 10 minutes, I can pick it up and swirl it, but don't do it right now because it's really hot. Don't, just leave it for 10 minutes and then give it a little swirl. You'll extract more of the root into the water. So after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then you'll strain it and you'll drink that throughout the day to make sure that you're not allergic to dandelion roots and they're working fine for you. That's how you'll tell. So you'll do that one day, and then the next day, if you find, okay, I'm all right with the roots, the next day you're going to take your, there's a fly in here, take your dandelion roots and put them in a coffee grinder, grind them up to a powder. There's the powder. Grind them up good. Make sure they're, quite powdery. See, it's on my fingers. Very powdery. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take capsules. You've already tried the tea. You're okay with it. The first day you're going to do 7 capsules and drink a ton of water. The second day you're going to do 6 capsules and drink a ton of water. And then the next day 5 capsules and drink a ton of water. And then 4 and so on to your last day, the 7th day, you're going to take your last capsule. All the while you're drinking a lot of water. Reason being for this is dandelion roots are a diuretic and they pull the water out of your body. So you will get very dehydrated if you don't hydrate yourself. You'll notice on this cleanse that you're going to be peeing a lot. And it's not just because you're drinking the water. I mean, that's the reason why you're peeing a lot, if you drink a lot of water. But even if you weren't drinking a lot of water, you would still pee a lot, and you would be dehydrated because it would pull all the water out of your body. So make sure you do that. You hydrate yourself this whole time you're doing it. First day is 7, second day is 6 capsules, you know, third day is 5 capsules, and so on and so on. So I'm going to teach you how to make the capsules. You can get these capsules. You can get these on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And capsules come in different sizes. You want the biggest capsule they have, which is, can you see that? It's going to say 0, 0, 0. A smaller capsule will be 0, 0. And then a real tiny capsule, like I would make microdosing with, would be 0. So this has 3 zeros. Just kind of remember it like that. 3 is the largest capsule and the most zeros. So 3, 3, or sorry, 0, 0, 0 for your capsules. And there's many different kinds. I like vegan, organic, but I mean, it's totally up to yourself. So you got your capsules. Here they are. Empty capsules. Ooh, I'm an empty capsule ready for the medicine. So you take the capsule and you just do like this. And you fill it with intention with each capsule. You say, oh, I'm so happy you're gonna heal. That's totally up to yourself too. I do that though. So there, bam, there's your first capsule. Throw that aside. So this liver cleanse, you're doing 7 capsules and then 6 and then 5 and then 4, then 3, like all the way down. That requires 28 capsules. So you're going to do up 28 capsules, guys, with your dandelion roots that you got from Amazon or wherever. In your capsules, 0, 0, 0. Are you seeing this? Yes, you are. You see it. Wow. That's all you do. It's pretty easy. Look at the teas over here. Just like, ooh, drink me. I'm going to clean your liver. Ooh, it's really hot though, so I'm going to set it aside. That's it. That's all of it. That's it. So I hope the people in the States can go get some roots. Just go to a health food store, guys, and get the roots. And the reason why this video, and I'm trying to tell everyone to clean their livers, is all of our livers are dirty. Dandelion roots. All of our livers are filthy dirty. And the liver is like, let me see. The liver's like this. It's like a screen. See how this screen's a little bit dirty? Not everything's getting through that screen because it's dirty. So after a while, if I leave that like that, it's going to get dirtier. And nothing is going to get through it. So then that's what our liver's like. It's like that. Ooh, dirty liver. We all got it. Why don't doctors? Why don't they tell us to clean the liver? I never had anyone say, you should clean your liver. Our liver's like really important. I'm not down on doctors. I love them. My son-in-law is a doctor. And my doctor that I have is a great guy. I'm not down on doctors. But I wish that they would say more like, clean your liver. Everybody should clean their liver. Because if your liver is dirty, nothing's flowing through. And if nothing's flowing through properly, it's sticking in there. And I was mentioning in one of my posts about being vaxxed. You want that vaccination, any vaccination, to flow through your body properly and go where it's supposed to go. If that's your decision, definitely clean your liver before. And if you didn't get a chance to do that, don't fret. Clean your liver after. Yeah, we should clean our liver all cleaned up. So you can use the dandelion roots, another great one to use with that, or on its own too, which is a little harder to dig up, are the burdock roots. So you could do the same with the burdock roots as you're doing with the dandelion. So I hope this helps you guys to build your own liver cleanse, and that's where you can get all of the ingredients if you don't have them yourself. I trust the Foothills. I trust them totally. I love their stuff. Alright guys, have a good night, and I hope that you all clean your liver because I'm getting like hundreds of messages a day, and that's not even a lie. It's like crazy what's happening lately. Um, People are having a whole bunch of really bad effects in their body, and I believe it's because well, I know it's because their liver's dirty, because as soon as they clean the liver, things improve. So I hope this helps you guys.